Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have a Saab 93 2011 Sport Combi and the washer jet is cracked and is leaking backwards. Actually it's leaking towards the engine. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the washer jets. So for this job you only need a screwdriver. You need 3 new washer jets. So 2 of them, the left side and the middle one. The middle jets are they have 2 connections, and the right side has only 1 connection. Remove the hose connection. One, and to remove the jet we have to press on the locking mechanism over here and remove. And the jet, it comes from inside, not from outside, so we move it, we pull it at an angle and we remove the jet. Then to put the new jet in we have to slide it in like this. The nozzle has to face the windshield, so after we turn it in, we're gonna turn it this way and push on the jet from outside. So this is jet number 1. So the second one, we're gonna remove the hose, remove from the other side, and do the same thing. We're gonna push on the mechanism and remove the jet. This is the second jet. To put it in, we just slide it in and lock it in place. Only one left on this side. Remove the hose. Remove the hose. Remove the hose from the other side too. And push on the locking mechanism over here. And remove the jet. I'm gonna slide the new one in. And lock it in place. So right now we just have to put the hoses back in place. This is number 1. The one that comes from here over there. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. So right now if you want to have additional tightness on the hose, you can use very small tie wraps. The cam doesn't come with tie wraps, but it's up to you. If you see any liquid from here, if you see any liquid, very slight liquid coming out, washer fluid, it's better you put a tie wrap on it. So that will help stop the leak completely. And cut the tip of the tie wrap. They are all tied up. So now we're gonna close the cover. Just have to lock it like that. 1, You see this this jet over here is spraying too low. I'm gonna use a small kind of look like a needle. I'm gonna insert it inside the hole. Gonna insert inside the hole. I'm gonna lift up the jet. So as you see, it's at the exact spot. So this one is low too. So you just have to lift them up similarly the same like the other ones. So if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.